Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maryam, and today I'm here with the last course of the second project of Python, that is intermediate Python. It's of intermediate level and this is submitted to Dr. Hammad Majeed with the grade. So before moving toward our main topics, let's move towards the content of this presentation, which include dictionaries and pandas, and then filtering, and then the loops and case studies. So what are dictionaries and pandas? How to create a dictionaries and pandas? Here we can see that the dictionaries can easily be created by this, the definition of countries and capitals. Now we have to create a dictionaries for the countries and capital as well, which are the columns that are present in the both data frames. And then we will print the URL. Manipulating dictionaries. If you want to manipulate your dictionaries, then you can use, this is the dictionary that we are given: Spain, Madrid, France, Paris, Germany, Berlin, Norway, Oslo. So if we want to add Italy to the Europe, then we can add Europe in subsetting Italy is equal to Rome. So this is how we can add Italy to Europe. And if we want to print out Italy in Europe, then we will be write Italy in Europe. And if you want to add Poland to the Europe, then we can add this in the same way that we have added Italy to the Rome. So logic, control flow, and filtering. These are the compared arrays that we are going to study in the next chapter. So my house is a data frame and by array, and then these are the values. Your house and by array, and these are the values. These are two different data frames. And if we want to filter, then we can easily get, here we are going to filter greater than or equal to 18. So this is how it actually works. So my house is less than your house will be printed as like this syntax. So now let's talk about the Boolean operators. This is two variables that are defined by the my kitchen and your kitchen. So if we write my kitchen is bigger than your kitchen or smaller kitchen, then we will be giving them the condition that is greater than and smaller than, greater than 10 and smaller than 18. So this is how it actually works with all the upcoming 3 examples. So let's talk about the loops here. While loop and for loop. While loop is basically for offset, initializing the offset to 8, while is offset, and then we are going to print and then offset and then print. This is the while loop, but for loop is kind of different from the while loop, in which for areas in and print this. Now we are going to study case studies, if else statement, and then visualizing your work. Finish the control construct, if dice, and then condition step. If else, and else that end or terminates the case study statement, and then we will print out the 2 dice and the step. And then we can visualize, or that was my step. This is accomplishment, and that's all from my side. Thank you very much.